change has blown through Hewitt's Park, and Leeds United have turned it around. Well, this time you really do have to feel for Max. Just a hopeful in-swinging ball, and it just right on the wind. He makes a decision that he's going to come to get this ball. You watch, he takes a couple of steps towards it, then realises he's not getting there, and he can't quite backpedal enough. And it's another goal in this game.
Chance in the second half, full rain, the in-swinger. It's a dangerous ball, it's in! Could be Paul Owens, direct from the corner. He got one last week in the cup tie. He's got one today. With that breeze, I knew an in-swinging corner surely had to be on the agenda, and it certainly was.
Und ist Tor! Und ja! 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 Kennt sich aus, ne?
Бачите, так, по прапорцю особливо помітно напрямок має вітер. І вітер допомагає Олександре оформити